Bluehill Universal's TestCam video recording and playback module effortlessly records any test with a webcam and allows users to replay the video along with the test data for further analysis. In this sample file, previously tested specimens were recorded with the TestCam module. By pressing play on the TestCam video, a user can visually watch the recorded test alongside the closest corresponding data point on the test curve. Also, a scanning cursor allows the user to select particular points of interest on the stress-strain or force displacement plot while viewing the associated test video frame. Using a USB webcam, users can record up to 30 frames per second. The TestCam module is highly useful for materials with high energy fractures, multiple modes of failure, and for characterizing unique components. To learn more about other Bluehill Universal features, please visit us at the link below or subscribe to our channel.